Hi everybody. Went to blizzardcon yesterday in Columbus, Ohio. Had a pretty good time. Met up with a lot of people from the community from Facebook and YouTube. Got a lot of time chatting with a lot of people, and so many people I don't want to list everybody because I'll leave a lot of people out. Brought home, took 6 models, and out of the 6, I brought home 4 awards. As you can see in my 69 Ford in the 49 and up street rod class, I brought first place. In the miscellaneous class, I took the dually. I got second place in it. In the bikes category, third place, and in box stock, third place with the Celsior. So I had a pretty good day, all in all. And I was going to take a lot of pictures, and it was pretty crowded. There were so many people, and they had it in a new place at a school, and the way they had it set up, all the vendors was in the hallway, and with people walking through, it was very crowded. And every time I went to grab my camera, I mean, there was so many people, I just put my camera down. But I did take a couple pictures of the buddy build with me and Hunter, and I posted it on Facebook, the 2 trucks together. And I'll include the photographs at the end of this video. But it was a good time, just getting along and chatting with everybody, and just had a very good time, and seeing everybody's models, and there's a lot of very nice stuff there, but I was pretty pleased. You know, I took 6 things and brought home 4 awards and an IMPS show, and that's pretty good to do. And so hopefully we'll see everybody at the next show, and I think we're gonna go to a couple more shows coming up here very soon. I mean, they're boom, 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 and they're, you know, pretty quick. So we'll and we'll see you guys soon at the next show. Bye.